Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable snore detection during sleep in Galaxy Ring. To do it, go to the Samsung Wearables app, then click on Health Settings, then Sleep, and now you can enable snore detection. Then click on Settings, and now enable Allow setting alarms and reminders. Then while using the app, OK, and now snore detection is enabled. You can also click on Always to change it. You need to click on Unblock to unblock microphone, and you can set it to Always or Once. You can enable or disable recording audio, so you'll know how does your snoring sound, whether it's healthy or not, and you can delete audio recordings after 7 days, 31 days or 100 days. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.